Hello guys, welcome to this video. In our last video we did for that of diagonal, we also did for colon and that of for row 2, checking if there's going to be a winner. So in this video we're going to do for that of player 2, but before that we're going to test whether if our player 1 is still going to work 100%. So let's run that. Let me run this. Okay, player 1 you are X and player 2 you are 0. So let's say I want to win in this row. So I'm going to put 4. So player 1 is your turn. Let's say player 1 decided to put in 2. So player 2 decided to put in 2. And for player 1, I put in 5. And player 2 decided to put in 9. Can see 6. I have opportunity in 6. Can see we won in row 2. The board got displayed to us. And then player 1 won in row 2. Can see our board is working perfectly. So we're going to do it for that of player 2. There's no much difference. More difference right here, because I'm just going to check. Let me remove this. I'm going to check if here is 0. If it's 0, sorry, if it's O, that means it's for that of player 2. So what we're just going to do is simple. Just copy this. Let's copy this condition. Why did my keyboard keep on doing this? Okay, this is it. Control C and then move it to player 2. You know it's going to be after this board right here. So let me just bring it down. The reason I moved it here because the reason I put my keyboard here, my pointer here before I pasted it because of the way I've copied it. So we're going to change all this to it's going to be really we're going to change all this to it's going to be really too much. So I'm going to use control, which what we're looking for is O, and we're going to replace it with X. You can see that. So but we can see that, so what we're looking for is X, right? Sorry. Looking for X, so I'm going to replace it with O. Simple as that. You can see it's already pointing here. If I move down, it's going to go to the next one. You can see here, you can see down. So let me start from the first one. So I just on this place I put my cursor here. It showed me click enter to replace. So just click on it. You can see it got changed to O. So I'm just going to keep on doing the same things. You can do it really fast. You can see how fast I'm doing that. It won't take you time. Just a few seconds. You can see we're done. Be careful when you're doing that. If you are to run it too fast, you might end up changing things that you might not want. And if you are not careful, it might call you to debugging, infinity debugging, or problem that I don't know where it came from. So you can see what basically just done for that of player 2. Simple as that. Let's see whether if it's just input that. Since we have done for that of player 1, we copied it to player 2 because there's not going to be much different. So let's run and test the game for ourselves. So I'm going to hit the play. Okay, let me bring this up. Okay, player 1, where do you want to play? Let's say I played in 1 and player 2 in 5. I'm just going to play randomly. Let's say there's going to be a winner. Let's say okay, player 2 is not finding any opportunity, so he's ready to play in 4. And then player 1 out of maybe he was not serious and he mistakenly played in 3, even though there was space in 6 to block this of our, but he played here player there's not going to be a winner. So I said he mistakenly played in 3. So player 2 found an opportunity and then he saw the 6 here, so there's space here, and then he played on 6. You can see player 1, sorry, player 1 won in row 2. Meanwhile, this is supposed to be player 2. So let's change that because I forgot to do that. Hope this is for, yeah, this is for the player. So I'm going to change that. No end of using control H is not much. So to okay, take we're done with that really fast. Okay, let's run it again and let the player 1, say player 2 win somewhere. Okay, player 2, let's say 9. Okay, 6. Player 1 could have stopped this attack by playing here, but it's time for player 1. That's it. So it's time for player 2 right now, so there's space here for player 2 to play to win. So in play 3, you can see player 2 won in column 3, because here is column 3. You can see our code is working 100% fine. So we're done with the condition, checking if there's a winner. You can see when we got there's a winner, he broke our code. Or you can see it stopped our execution of our code. So I think we have done with the winning. The next what we are going to do is that of cleaning the board if there is no winner. I'm going to clean board. We want to check whether if the entire board is being filled up. If it's filled up, we're going to clean it up. That's basically what we're going to do. We're going to make it really come on. I'm going to make it really easy for us to understand. I'm not going to make it complex for us to understand how to clean the board. So that's what basically I will be doing in the next video. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.